you talk about lasers and implants. And how do you feel while getting this treatment done from us?
Well, the treatment that I've had from yourself over the last 3 or 4 years has improved.
Yeah.
Before, you used to actually have to cut my jaw open,
Yeah.
and you have to stitch up. And this time, completely, you have not had to do that. You've used a laser, and you've healed with a laser. And the thing, as you know, I don't like injections. I've said it in my a written review I've written for you. I don't like injections, and I think minimally I've had one injection, and that was only because of a little bit of pain.
So how was the treatment done by lasers? You expecting that we can do this type of treatment in India?
Well,
In Dehradun?
now I do, but before when I came, I was a bit skeptical about. I think I've been coming for what, 3-4 years now, 4 years, and I was skeptical at the beginning, I must admit, but now you've improved vastly within your own knowledge, obviously, and your experience is better and better, and I suppose you're staying ahead of the game, shall we say, technology-wise.